To everyone, our future leaders.
This is our mission.
To develop a culture of excellence which transcends through sporting, academic and community aspects, driving all students to excel in their endeavours.
With the aim to increase sustainable practices, I envision a college community with a controlled ecological footprint, promoting understanding of our common home.
To create a faith-filled community with a strong love for God, empowered by the gospel and committed to instilling curiosity in all.
As we are gathered as many, we stand as one, to celebrate the possibilities of education and acknowledge our differences as a community of inclusion.
We have a mission, clear and simple.
To ignite curiosity and inspire possibility.
To push the boundaries of conventional learning.
To challenge each and every student.
To know more, to see more, to do more.
This is the year of change.
2018 is our year.